ready to transform your garden to a stunning paradise by 2025. My goal for the upcoming year begins with a garden makeover. This is going to redefine the layout for my garden to maximize the beauty and space. This year, I plan to do better record keeping of all my gardening activities. This will help me keep track of my progress and uncover the secrets to what thrives best years to come. Meal planning is going to be the next game changer for 2025. I'm planning on using up all my fresh produce that I grow. By crafting weekly plans this year, I'm going to be keeping it smart by knowing how much my family eats, so I don't overdo it by starting too many seedlings. By planting just the right amount, I'm going to nurture healthier plants and dodge the chaos of too many seedlings, focusing on fewer plants for bigger yields. Each plant will receive the love and attention it craves, leading to a spectacular results. More space means less competition for nutrition and light, making garden upkeep a breeze. Oh, and I'm sticking to a smart planting schedule this year. No more starting seeds too early. This is going to save me time and soil, allowing me to focus on what really matters. Plus, I'm planning to install irrigation this year before planting to keep my garden hydrated, especially on those hot, scorching summer days. And let's not forget about the magic of flowers. I'm excited to plant more blooms to enhance my garden to attract pollinators, such as bees, butterflies, and other essential creatures that make my garden come alive. With their buzz and flutters, my garden will be a vibrant heaven. Join me on this thrilling journey and let's make 2025 the most amazing year for our gardens. Together, let's grow an extraordinary garden. Share your garden goals below.